Multiplication can seem overwhelming, especially when you're staring down a set of large numbers. But what if we told you there's a way to make these numbers work for you instead of against you? Doubling and halving strategies can turn these tough calculations into quick, mental math wins. Today, we're breaking down these tricks, backed by research, to make multiplying easier and faster than you ever thought possible. The concept, doubling and halving. What's the big idea? Doubling and halving work by breaking down one of the numbers in a multiplication equation. If you double one number and halve the other, the result stays the same, but the calculation often becomes simpler. Example. Let's take 24 by 16. Normally, you'd stack the numbers and multiply, which can be time-consuming. But using the doubling and halving strategy, we can simplify it. Have 24 to get 12 and double 16 to get 32. This transforms the equation into 12 by 32, a much simpler calculation. Breaking it down further. Now, let's break 12 and 32 into more manageable parts. Split 12 into 10 and 2, and 32 into 30 and 2. From here, multiply each pair of numbers. 10 times 30 is equal to 300. 10 times 2 is equal to 20. 2 times 30 is equal to 60. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Add them together. 300 plus 20 plus 60 plus 4 is equal to 384. So, 12 times 32 equals 384, which is the same as 24 by 16. By breaking down the numbers into simpler components, we make the calculation faster and easier without changing the final product. Cognitive science research from the University of Massachusetts reveals that mental math strategies like doubling and halving reduce cognitive load, making it easier for both students and adults to process complex multiplications mentally. This efficiency stems from recognizing and manipulating number patterns, enhancing fluency in calculations.